and welcome back to this month's Organism of the Month at the Bee Museum. This month's creature is kind of a big deal.
Like 1,000 pounds, kind of a big deal. We're talking about none other than the moose. The moose, scientific name Alcis alcis, lives in boreal forests across the northern part of the globe, and in other forests here in North America, ranging as far south as Utah. In Eurasia, they call moose elk, even though there are two completely different species from what we call elk here in North America. Our word moose comes from the Native American Algonquin languages, and it means eater of twigs, and they certainly eat a lot of twigs.
Moose are huge. They're the tallest land mammal in North America and the second largest in mass, falling only behind the American bison. A typical moose can be 6 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh over 1,000 pounds. In order to maintain that kind of weight, they need to eat 23,000 calories a day. That adds up to about 71 pounds of food. So what are they eating? Plants mostly, especially the leaves, twigs, and bark of trees. In order to get enough sodium, they also eat aquatic plants, and in the winter, they love to lick the salt off of roadways.
Wait, did you say aquatic plants?
You heard that right. Moose are amazing swimmers. Although they don't look like the most buoyant of mammals, moose can swim up to 10 miles without stopping, and dive up to 18 feet to get plants at the bottom of the lake. They are the only kind of deer that can eat underwater, and not only does swimming help the moose find food, but also helps them cool down during the summer. They're pretty fast on land too. A moose can run up to 35 miles per hour. This running speed can help them to avoid predators.
So what might eat a moose? Full-grown moose are so big that they don't have many predators, but Siberian tigers can take them down, or a whole pack of wolves, working together. Moose calves are sometimes eaten by bears and cougars. On rare occasions, swimming moose have been killed and eaten by orcas.
Unlike many other kinds of deer, moose don't form herds. They are solitary creatures and live alone for most of their lives. Moose calves do remain with their mothers for the first 18 months of their lives, but after that, the mom will chase them away and go back to her peace and quiet. This is also around the same age that male moose will start growing their iconic antlers. Moose antlers can be up to 5 feet across, and their bowl-like shape is thought to help direct sounds towards their ears to help them hear better. The antlers are covered in a fuzzy layer called velvet, which nourishes them as they grow. Each fall, a moose will lose the velvet and the antlers and grow an entire new set the next year. The whole antler grows in just 3 to 5 months, making it one of the fastest growing organs in the world. That's all for this month, but if you learned a fun fact about moose, be sure to tell an educator in a green shirt to earn your very own moose bio card.
You can find our moose coloring page on the museum website or in person at our Discover readings. Make sure to submit your masterpiece for a chance to win a prize. See you all next time.